There's Pecker. Pocahontas. Like this one didn't have a name over that. It's called the smaller rooster, and this one's Blondie. Hi, Blondie! I don't want to scare this guy. He's the alpha of the pack. They stay in a group, and he's kind of the outcast right there. But this guy is the one that controls the whole pack. He attacks you if he thinks that you're a danger to the pack. Also, if you didn't know, chickens can actually jump so high that once one of my chickens jumped all the way on top of that roof right there, which is pretty high up. They jump over those fences, that fence, run around like crazy because it's super fast. And this guy comes up to the door whenever I let him out and begs for food. Because he likes doing that. So, yeah. Our only two roosters are that one and if you didn't know, you can only tell a chicken's gender when they get older. And that's one of our hens. Back there's another hen. So right now we're trying to sell our roosters because we don't want any more chickens, but we actually have a shortage of hens because two of them got electrocuted in the garage. We don't know how. We think they got electrocuted, but we don't know for sure because we don't have any cameras or anything. So yeah, it's the day after Thanksgiving, and we usually give them our leftovers, but since it was Thanksgiving, there was a lot of leftovers.